Topic is offline coincident transformation. My name is K. Vinayak Marathi from IT Business. Course is Differential Equation and Vector Matrices. Introduction to offline concept transformation. Offline concept transformations are integral transformations that are practically useful in solving boundary values problems. They are defined over a of infinite intervals, usually from 0 to infinity. These transforms can simplify the analyzing of the various physical phenomena, including heat, conductivity, and wave programming. Mathematical definition: the half of conic transformation of a function f of x is given by the integral from 0 to infinity of the f of x times cos of kx into dx. Mathematically, it is as representations of c of x of k equal to o naught infinity f of x cos of kx into dx. Here k is a refractory parameters and the output is a function of k. Properties of offline conic transformation. Offline conic transformation inhabited linearity, meaning that the transform of a linear combination of a function is the same linear combination of the tra- transforms. They have a duality properties which relates that the half line conic transformation to the original function. It is various transformations. The transforms are particularly useful because they receive certain syntax in the original function. Invention, invention formula. The invention formula allows use to recover the original function from its offline conic transform. It is given by the f of x equal to 1 by pi into internal a power infinity c of f of k cos of kx into dk. This formula is essential for the practical applications where the original function needed to be recovered. Applications in physics. Offline conic transforms are extensively used in solving heat inequalities with the boundary definitions at x equal to 0. They help to model the distributions of temperature in a semi-infinite models. Furthermore, these can be applied in wave to the analyzing variation in structures. Applications in engineering. Engineers until offline conic transform to define systems that equal understanding to transistence heat flow. They are always clearly in signal processing, practically in the filtering and the analyzing signals. Additionally, they are used in sectional analyzing to study stress in materials. Numerical methods for computations. Numerical methods are often required to complete offline conic transform or complex functions. Techniques such as the triple trapezoidal rule and Simplification rules can be effectively methods. Fast furious Fast furious transform FFP methods are always be appended for effective computations. Examples of functions. Common functions evaluations using offline concept transform, including exhaustive decay and polynomial functions. The cohesive transform of an expression functions often lead to simplified analytic form. Polymer function can be transformed to analyzing these behavior at infinite computation with the full line transformation. Offline conic transformation differ from the full line conic transformation in their domain of integration. The full line transform typically involves the integrals from minus infinity to infinity, while offline transformations are limited to 0 comma infinity. These restructure will allow from the different applications and simpler boundary application definitions. Transform tables. Transform tables are valuable research that list common functions and their offline concept transform. These tables can export the calculations and provide widely reference from engineers and scientists. They often concept various as well as adding in the become structures of original functions. Transform of the common function, the half of the sensitive transfer functions of f of x equal to e of power minus ax, while d is a simple expressions in terms of k and a. Limitations. One limitation of all offline concept transformation is the applicability to functions that are not rapidly decreasing at infinity. Functions with discontinuous may always pose challenges in obtaining accurate transform. Future directions and researching exploring the offline concept transformation to more complex domain, including multi-dimensional applications. Thank you.